Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out your Flying Blue card on the KLM application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the account button down below, which is the fifth option or the fourth option. Tap on Flying Blue dashboard, which is the first option, then scroll down to the bottom and here you can see your Flying Blue card. Tap on the relevant one you want to check out. Here you can see. Then just slide to the right side to check out the other side of it. So that's how you can use it and check out the QR code as well. You can add it to your Apple Wallet by tapping on the Add to Apple Wallet button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.